What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about N8N and Relevance AI. Which really among the two is better? So let's dive into the video. N8N gives you insane control. You can build anything from simple automations to multi-branch logic with hundreds of nodes, but it can feel technical fast. Relevance AI, way smoother UX for AI specific use cases, less configuration, more intuition, especially great if you're working with agents, embeddings, or search. In 2025, AI native is the name of the game. N8N has AI tools, OpenAI, Claude, Hugging Face nodes, but they often need manual wiring. Relevance AI is built around AI. You get native support for RAG pipelines, chat agents, multi-agent flows, even evals. Less setup, more outcome. N8N is open source. You can self-host for free or go with their cloud version. It's affordable and great for developers. Relevance AI, more enterprise focused. There's a free tier, but if you scale, costs can climb. That said, the AI native architecture can save time, and time is money. Choose N8N if you want flexibility, open source freedom, and total control. And choose Relevance AI if you're building AI products fast, need vector search, or want pre-built multi-agent flows. Honestly, use both. Many teams build AI logic in Relevance and trigger workflows in N8N. Whichever you pick, you're leveling up your automation game in 2025. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!